In the greenhouses, we have a lot of problems with low light conditions where we're growing at. And we found a product that is really, really good for that. Or if you're growing in an apartment or a condo where you can't get really good sunlight, this product will really help. And it's called Quantum Organic Total. And we get this product from Rocky Mountain BioAg out in Colorado. And it's a real good product. And you can foliar feed your plant with it, or you can use it as a soil drench as well. But when you mix this, if you're going to mix this for foliar spray in your apartment, it will stain because it's coffee colored. It doesn't really have much of an odor to it, but it does have it will stain. So put it on your balcony or put some newspapers around it, or just be aware that it can stain. And all you need is a gallon of distilled water and 2 ounces of this product to mix it for a soil drench or for a foliar spray. And it works very well because these plants that you see in these pictures, it was started from seedlings and grown in temperatures above 100 degrees every day. So it's really kept the stress off of them, and it's made nice, good vegetation and puts it on. And the second product that they also sell is called PureCrop 1. And this is a product that's very good for controlling whiteflies and spider mites and leaf miners and things like that. It also helps with funguses and whatnot. And you use this 1 ounce to the gallon of distilled water. Make sure you use distilled water. And when you spray this stuff on, you can spray it once a week. And if you got a real bad infestation of, say, whiteflies or mildew or things, you can spray, mix 2 ounces to the gallon and spray every other day or two until the problem goes away. But this is a very good product. It's clear when it's mixed. The other thing, when you're mixing this, you want to make sure your container is pretty well full. So when you add this 2 ounces or 1 ounce to it, that it's not going to create soap bubbles. Because if you start off and pour this in an empty container, when you add the water to it, it's going to be soap bubbles everywhere. And this stuff is very pleasant smell to it, and it's very clean. It doesn't harm your plants. You can use this on plants as little as just little baby seedlings, or like the one, like these type of plants. You can use this stuff on it without fear of burning them. They do a really, really good job. But like I say, this, between the two products, the PureCrop 1 and the Quantum Total, that's all that's been used on these plants other than water since they were started. And you can see the results of what you get when you do it this way. So that pretty much takes care of that. And they have a lot of other products as well, but these are two products that we use from these folks that are really, really good, and it does a great job for container plants.